video is gonna be a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. It's 4th of July look to celebrate the Independence Day of the USA. Gotta be proud as an American. Today I'm going for blue eyeshadow with some glitters, with some diamond glitters. I'm using this eyeshadow palette, Lorac Mega Pro palette for today's look. I'm gonna be playing with the blues around here, so yeah. With this diamond glitter from Stila, so yeah. It's gonna be blue eyeshadow with some diamond glitters, so yeah. And I paired it with red lipstick to make it more alive for the Independence Day, for the 4th of July. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So first I'm gonna prime my eyes with some concealer. I'm gonna take the shade right here, Oat, as your transition shade. A circular motion, guys, for maximum pigmentation. Next, I'm gonna take the shade right here, Denim, as your second transition, but kind of like focusing on the outer V along your crease. I'll be taking the shade right here, Peacock, along your outer V. But also above your crease. I'm going to take the shade right here, Lagoon, focusing on your outer edge. Darker shade, darker teal. Like, we're gonna make the eyes really blue and really teal for today's look. With a clean brush, blend it out. I'm using a clean brush. Try to blend everything. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Take that first transition shade again, the Oat shade. And place it here. We're going for a cut crease, so I'm going to put some concealer on the lid. Since you're doing a cut crease. Next I'm gonna take the shade right here, Still Wool and Fairy Tale. I'm gonna mix these two together. Pat it on your lid. Oh yeah. Take some more of that Peacock shade. Kind of focusing here. Some more of that Lagoon shade. Blend out everything so there's no harsh lines. Next, the star of the show, Stila Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow in Diamond Dust. Kind of do a glitter like a curve here. You guys, I must be looking really crazy right now. This fall out. It's crazy, guys. It's intense. Wow. Let's move on with the face makeup. I'm gonna be using this Smashbox Primerizer primer. It feels great on the skin, guys. I love this. I'm gonna be using this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 4.5. This foundation, guys. I like how it feels on the skin, and it's long wearing. It has that high-end scent, which I love. That luxury, expensive scent, which I'm so obsessed. I'm gonna be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, as usual. You would have seen me using this a million times, seriously. Like, I just can't stop using this because it's seriously the best concealer out there. Seriously, the best concealer in the world. Powder my face with the Lorac Mercier translucent setting powder. Under my eyebrows, I fill out the gaps with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Fill out the gaps with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Eyebrows with the Benefits 24-hour Browsetter. I'm going to take the old shade, run it along your lower lash. I'm going to take the shade Lagoon and run it along your lower lash, emphasizing on the outer part. I'm gonna take this the Schwing liquid eyeliner from the Balm. Soften the eyeliner a little bit with the brush. I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer to prime the eyelash. Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm going to line my upper waterline with this Marc Jacobs eyeliner to make the eyes bolder. Gonna bronze up the face with this Bahama Mama from the Balm. take this shade right here, the blush, I Need Space from ColourPop. Gonna use this Essence Pure Nude Highlighter all over my face. Use it everywhere like a powder. Gonna use this ColourPop highlighter in Flexitarian with my ColourPop small fluff brush. Ooh. So intense and beaming. Powder your lip line. Gonna be using this Kylie Lip Kit in 22. Totally the best red lipstick ever. I really love this lipstick. It's totally the best red shade ever. I just feel confident in red with this red lipstick. I'm gonna add some gloss from Buxom to add some shine. Gonna set the face with Glam Glow Browsetter. Feels so nice. So yeah guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is my look for the 4th of July this year. What do you guys think? Please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye!